Hey everyone, Zach from OutThereVans.com coming to you from our headquarters in Grand Junction, Colorado. Today we are going to do a brief overview of Elrrak mounting systems. Now these Elrrak mounting systems are becoming more and more common within DIY van builds as well as professional van builds. We're going to go over a number of these Elrrak profiles, which are aluminum, and kind of walk you through some of the options you'll find on OutThereVans.com, along with their intended uses and a number of accessories that actually allow you to use this track to secure loads, secure cabinets, mount bikes. Really, you name it, this Elrrak is there to provide it for you. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, now Elrrak systems, let's get into it. So Elrrak is also very commonly known as airline track. Now in this Elrrak, it has a cutout every 1 inch available for a mounting point. And if you actually look in the flooring of an airplane, you'll actually notice all the airline seats are actually mounted to the floor with Elrrak systems. There's just generally a cover to keep all the pretzel crumbs and peanut crumbs from going down into these holes. Now this track is a way to either bolt or quick release a variety of accessories in here, and it is also how the airlines manage every year to bump all the seats in the plane forward 1 inch to cram one more row in the very back. Now that's how versatile it is. Now the Elrrak profiles on OutThereVans.com come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. So let's get into colors first. Now in terms of colors, we have the base raw aluminum here. No anodized finish, it's as it sounds, it's literally just raw aluminum silver. Additionally, our other two colors are an anodized finish. The first one is charcoal gray, it's just kind of a nice dark gray. And the last one is black, same thing, just straight up black. Black, charcoal gray are our anodized finishes, where raw aluminum is raw and aluminum. Silver, right? Now in terms of shapes, there are a variety of shapes that might benefit your van build, and we'll talk through a couple of them today. So the first shape we're going to talk about is the recessed shape. Now a recessed Elrrak shape is generally preferred when you are currently actively building your van and you are looking to integrate this Elrrak into your walls, your ceiling, or your floors. Now this recessed channel is available in two thicknesses. The one I have in my hands is the shallow, which means it has a 1/4 inch depth to it. We also have a recessed deep, which has a 1/2 inch depth to it. Deep will give you a slightly stronger Elrrak profile. I will note all of these profiles in their product listing, which you can find down in the description below. There is in the image gallery a shear break test that will show you the strengths for each of these different profiles as they vary based on their shape and size. But recessed shallow is commonly integrated into van builds when they are currently being built, as you want to keep that low profile feature with your Elrrak while having the kind of strength side of it recessed into your walls, your ceiling, your flooring. Now, if you are one that has already built your van, but you do want to go back and add some Elrrak, we have one that is just known as angled Elrrak. Angled Elrrak is nice because it does not have any flange to it. So it just simply cuts an angle to make a better rollover if it is in the floor, or if it's on the wall, it's just a softer touch surface. But this allows you to flush mount it to your floor, your ceiling, your walls, the back doors of your van to add that Elrrak storage, but do it after the fact. This angled Elrrak is generally my preferred go-to profile if I am integrating Elrrak after the fact into a build. We do also have this profile available in a rectangular version, which just squares off your edges, as well as a semicircular profile. So think of your edges being more rounded off, but still more rectangular in shape. I don't have that here today because I'm kind of showing you the profiles we're going to be working with in our shop on a typical basis. But do note that semicircular and rectangular are also available on OutThereVans.com. The last profile I'm going to show you is actually this long profile sitting over here. Truth be told, I've filmed this video twice now because I did this video already with a quick walkthrough of these, and then quickly learned a secret from our friends at Van Essential, who makes this Elrrak, that they had a brand new profile coming out. Now, this new profile is known as corner Elrrak. Now, this allows your Elrrak to be butted down into a 90-degree space, and you can either orient it as a 35-degree angle of slope or a 55-degree angle of slope. Now that corner Elrrak is great for under a garage where you might want to have mounting points as close to the corners of your van as possible to be able to put a bungee cord, a ratchet strap, etc. on it, and really adds a new way to put Elrrak in your van. So now these Elrrak spans are available in varying lengths, really dependent on the profile. They come as short as 6 inches in some profiles, as long as 95 inches long in most all of the profiles. So do note, if you're extending the length of your van, you may need multiple profiles to span that length. But these are available, all sold as 2-packs on our website. So be sure to head over to outtheirvans.com with the link in the description below if you are interested in picking up some Elrrak. Now, in terms of mounting systems with Elrrak, the shop van behind me, which I will do a full tour of here in the near future, actually has nearly every single accessory in it mounted directly via Elrrak. That's integrated in the floors, the walls, and the ceiling. Now, Elrrak is super handy in the sense that you can have quick release mounts, you can have bolt-in mounts, and do a number of things with it. So let's go through some accessories I have in front of me here. I can show you how they might integrate in with your build, and different ways you can use them. Now, the first accessory I'll show you is a must with any profile you get, and that is end caps. Now, these end caps are just little plastic pieces that allow you to seamlessly cap off the sharp edges of your Elrrak. So if you integrate it into your flooring, you now have a softer rollover on the edge, and you don't have the hard edge of the aluminum. Now, these are available for each individual profile, so I highly recommend if you buy some Elrrak and it might be in a spot that you might be able to find a hard edge, be sure to pick up the corresponding end cap set for your Elrrak. These are 4-packs due to the fact that all of your Elrrak spans are 2-packs. So you need 4 ends for 2 spans of Elrrak. But do note, if you cut these down, you might need to pick up a couple extra sets of these Elrrak end caps. Super handy. All right, now my absolute favorite mounting accessory for Elrrak are these swivel hooks. Now, these swivel hooks are aluminum. They swivel any direction you want. So if you're putting these into your ceiling, you're putting them into your walls, or a vertical Elrrak, horizontal Elrrak, they work in every configuration. And they really make an amazing spot to just be able to go in, slide in, lock into place, and you now have a hook to hang a wet towel, a swimsuit, a bike helmet, some winter gloves, really you name it. You have this ready to go. I can't have enough of these swivel hooks in my van. Now, these swivel hooks are only available in a 2-pack, but I'll tell you, 2 is never enough, so order at least 4. I like 10. I like 20. Get a lot of swivel hooks. They're super nice for your van. Now, the next part I'll show you, which is super handy as well, are these O-rings. Now, the O-rings have the same quick release mechanism that the hooks we just showed you have, but these allow you to utilize ratchet straps, utilize bungee cords. Maybe you have a bag system that likes to hang from O-rings. These are a great way to make lashing points literally anywhere in your van. Some vertical Elrrak, I can go in, quickly attach this, slide it into place. I now have a swivel O-ring ready to go, ready to mount, and gives me a lot of flexibility. Now, the next mount I'll show you, I'm going to skip a couple here, and we'll come back to them, are just Elrrak mounting studs. Now, these studs are designed to have a washer that perfectly slots in between your Elrrak profile. So when you tighten down that nut, that stud is not going anywhere. And then you have a perfect fixing mount to mount cabinetry, to mount bed platforms, but you can still unbolt it and remove it down the road. Now, these are available in a variety of lengths, I believe inch or inch-and-a-half lengths, and they also come in either an M8 or an M10 bolt size, depending on the beef that you need to mount onto your Elrrak profiles. Before I go too far down that direction towards bike mounts, I do want to mention these bolts. These are bolts that already come with the proper flange to be able to mount your Elrrak if you are looking to bolt them into the frame of your van. These are an M6 bolt, so they will fit in an M6 riv nut really nice. But these have the proper flange that they can go in. The bolt head can flush mount, so you can still go through and slide your Elrrak accessories throughout that Elrrak without extruding too high up. I'll also point out these Elrrak profiles have a pre-drilled hole already every 4 inches within the profile. You can always add more holes if needed, but frankly, 4 inches gives you a really nice spread of that load over your profile, whether it's a small piece or a long 95-inch piece. You've got lots of mounting holes from there. These mounting bolts are available in 2 different lengths, so be sure to pick up some of these if you intend on bolting them into the frame of your van. Now, heading all the way down to the end over here, this is a bike mount that is compatible with Elrrak, also available on OutThereVans.com. These are from our friends over at Unaka Van Gear. Now, I'll tell you that bike mount itself does not come with Elrrak hardware, but there are Elrrak hardware mounting kits available also that I highly recommend picking up if you do pick up one of these bike mounts. Now, these bike mounts are a fork mount, so they are intended to take your front wheel off your bike. You just simply twist a thumb screw, flip this over, put your through axle onto your bushing here, close it up, and just a light spin, and you are closed up. These are all aluminum in construction. There are 2 different bushing sizes on the inside, depending on if you have a 12 millimeter or a 15 millimeter front through axle. These come with a variety of spacers to be able to space this higher off your Elrrak, depending on how much your fork extrudes past the bottom of your through axle. And we have 2 different Elrrak mounting systems for this. The first one you'll see on our site just has Elrrak corresponding holes, which allow you to slide this in, slide it to the side to your mounting point. And then the only adjustability you have is left to right. So that means your bars will always be facing the same linear plane as the length of your Elrrak. My favorite mount to get with this is actually this swivel plate. Now, it's a circular plate, so when you do mount this to that plate, then your plate gets mounted into your Elrrak and allows you to pivot your bike mount so you can actually adjust your handlebars ever so slightly at an angle so you can stack more bikes in your van. Now we're going to step up inside this van to show you a few other Elrrak mounted accessories you'll find on OutThereVans.com, just to show you some other ways you can utilize it. So number 1, these overhead cabinets from White Top Adventures utilize Elrrak systems. So you'll see up in the top up here, there are Elrrak studs mounting this cabinet. And if I open up this cabinet and move a few things, you'll notice that I have this Elrrak system in the wall. If you follow the line back here, guess what? It's also mounted into this wall-mounted Elrrak. A few other things mounted to Elrrak is this bed platform here. Also from White Top Adventures, this is a 4-panel Elrrak mounted bed system. So these side rails are mounted to some vertical Elrrak. In a matter of about 10 minutes, we could raise or lower this bed platform if needed to adjust it for different loads underneath the back. Let's say I have a different size bike I need to haul back there, or I just can't crawl up into that bed anymore at the height it's currently at. And then coming around the back of this van, we will see here is an example of an angled Elrrak mounted to this cabinet with some hooks. We decided this would be a good way to utilize some of the space over this electronic cabinet. And in the floor, we have some recessed shallow Elrrak that actually has some of these Unaka bike mounts mounted to them. So if I twist this, you'll see that is your access for your through axle. Put this back on, where this swivel plate we're looking at allows us to rotate this to better fit more handlebars if needed. Additionally, guess what? More Elrrak. We have this helmet hanging from an Elrrak swivel hook, which, as I mentioned, is my favorite thing ever. There are so many ways to utilize Elrrak in your van, and I'm just barely grazing the surface here. So I highly recommend considering Elrrak systems in your van build. And let us know if you have any Elrrak questions. Feel free to write them down in the comment section down below. Tell us how you utilized Elrrak in your specific van build. And most importantly, be sure to head over to OutThereVans.com, where you can shop for Elrrak accessories for your van. But not only that, pretty much every component you might need for your van build, we are the marketplace to be able to find those components and hopefully have some useful information on this YouTube channel that can help you down the road with that build as well. So we hope to see you in the next video, so be sure to hit like and subscribe to Out There Vans YouTube, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching today.